Hello, my name is Akil Vora. I'm an attorney with Muslim Advocates, a legal advocacy and educational organization. We've created this presentation to assist donors with their Zakat or charity decisions. We all know charitable giving has become complex and confusing. Since 9/11, federal scrutiny of Muslim organizations and donors has had a chilling effect on charitable giving. Yet charity is both a religious obligation and civic responsibility for American Muslims. So what can you do? Let's start by reviewing what the law requires. If you plan to claim a tax deduction, you must follow these 3 steps. First, you can only donate to a U.S. registered 501c3 charity. Second, keep written records. Lastly, when you donate, make your intent clear. Write the purpose of your donation on the memo line of the check. Making your intent clear and keeping written records will assist you during tax season, or if you later get questioned by the IRS or FBI. Now let's discuss additional steps we recommend. Giving wisely requires donors to do their homework. Ask questions like, how is the charity governed? Does the charity have audited financial statements? Most people do research before making personal financial investments. Why not do the same for your Zakat? So let's explore good governance and accountability. First, you want organizations that are open and honest about their financial practices and make smart decisions about how they spend their money. Do they make financial statements public? Do they spend a majority of funds on actual programs versus overhead or fundraising? Does the board approve an annual budget? Second, organizations should be well managed. Serving as a board member is a responsibility. Active board members build strong institutions that are more attractive to donors. Ask questions like, does the board meet regularly? Are there at least 5 board members? Lastly, if the charity is involved in a lawsuit, you might want to know if your money is going to court costs. Let's move to international charity. Donors and organizations interested in giving abroad face a maze of laws and regulations that are constantly evolving. Not following these rules can result in serious penalties, including imprisonment or deportation. We urge donors to consult an attorney before providing money, items, or services overseas. We want to emphasize this point. Giving food, water, blankets, or medical services is not always allowed. If provided to the needy through an organization on one of the government's terrorist lists, you would be in violation of the law. What is often considered humanitarian aid might be interpreted by the federal government as support for terrorism and illegal. So what can you do? First, check the lists. The federal government has created several lists of prohibited groups and individuals. Visit the Muslim Advocates website for direct links to these sites. If the charity appears on one of these lists, you're prohibited from donating to them. Second, if the charity is under investigation by the US or another government, consult a lawyer. Also, confirm that the organization has permission to work in that country and it has the ability to complete the project. Finally, always ask for documentation that the funds were used for its intended purpose. We've suggested a lot of questions for you to ask. You can find answers from a number of different resources. GuideStar contains financial data on all 501c3 organizations. The Better Business Bureau website contains reports on charities and their 20 standards of charity accountability. Or, you can always contact a charity directly for information. Finally, Muslim Advocates has developed a tool to help donors, the Muslim Charities Accreditation Program. Our goal is to strengthen legal compliance, financial record keeping, transparency, and accountability of American Muslim charities. We assist Muslim charities and mosques, provide expert advice, and hold educational seminars. The program also helps charities receive accreditation by the Better Business Bureau Wise Giving Alliance. Accredited charities are listed on our website. American Muslims are very generous and support many worthy causes. By promoting understanding of the rules and best practices, we hope to protect your giving and our community's generosity during Ramadan and throughout the year. If you have any questions or need an attorney to assist you, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.